यस यस मैम, मैंने मैंने रिव्यू किया मैम।
सर आपका कुछ नेटवर्क इशू है, आवाज़ नहीं आ रही है।
देखो अनुराग,
यस मैम, जो इश्यूज आपने रेस किए हैं, तो मैंने क्रॉस चेक किया, तो मोस्ट ऑफ द इश्यूज उसी के अराउंड रिवॉल्व हो रही हैं।
हाँ तो एक बार पढ़ लो उनको जो भी है इम्पोर्टेंट।
पार्डन मैम।
वो जो इश्यूज इनके यही आ रहा है ना, ऑप्ट आउट का, मेडिकल का कैसे हो सर्टिफिकेट, वो एक प्रॉब्लम है।
यस मैम
दूसरा आ रहा है
कि
कि कोविड सिम्टम्स
बिल्डिंग।
का आ रहा है,
हाँ यस मैम।
ट्रांसपोर्ट का।
कोविड सिम्टम्स तो, और जब पीक पे थी तो डॉक्टर खुद ही रिकमेंड कर रहे थे कि आपको सिम्टम्स हैं, तो आप उसी बेसिस पे आइसोलेट हो जाओ, देयर इज नो नीड फॉर आरटीपी।
हाँ फिर ट्रांसपोर्ट का, लॉकडाउन का आ रहा है कि लॉकडाउन है तो हम कैसे वो करें। फिर आधार कार्ड का कुछ
यस
बच्चों
मैम
का
यस
आ
मैम।
रहा है कि आधार कार्ड देना
हाँ
मैंडेटरी।
कि आधार कार्ड।
आधार
हाँ,
कार्ड देना
वाई
मैंडेटरी
आधार
क्यों है, ये भी क्वेरी आ रही है। बच्चे
कार्ड इज मैंडेटरी।
स्टूडेंट थोड़ा उसमें वो कर रहे हैं थोड़ा, आधार कार्ड
जो
देना
भी
क्यों
क्वेरीज आई
जरूरी।
हैं मैम मेरे पास, तो मैंने देखा कि रिवॉल्व उसी, जो क्वेरीज एग्जॉस्टिव लिस्ट आपने बनाई है, उसी के अराउंड रिवॉल्व कर रही है मैम, रिगार्डिंग ऑप्ट आउट
मैम
थिंग।
एक चीज़ पूछूं, बट व्हाट वुड, मेरे को
ओल्ड
भी
कोर्स
बहुत
का
लोगों ने आधार
इम्पोर्टेंट है।
कार्ड वाली चीज़ पूछी। आधार कार्ड वाली चीज़ बहुत लोगों ने पूछी, बट व्हाट आई वुड से इज ये इतना टेक्निकल है, इसमें हम करेंगे भी क्या? आधार कार्ड मांगने में गलत भी क्या है व्हेन यू ऑलरेडी हैव,
नहीं, आधार कार्ड मांगने में कोई
मतलब।
गलती, कोई गलत बात नहीं है। हम लोग तो बहुत जगह देते हैं अपना आधार कार्ड, और
तो
इंस्टीट्यूट
ये इस पे
इंस्टीट्यूट भी मांग रहा
बच्चे
है
जो
तो।
कह रहे हैं कि इसमें इशू है, आधार कार्ड क्यों अपलोड करना है, तो दे कैन इजीली डाउनलोड फ्रॉम UIDAI की जो वेबसाइट है, उससे ऑनलाइन कॉपी डाउनलोड हो जाएगी अगर आपके पास फिजिकल नहीं भी है, और
मेरे
उसको
ख्याल से
अटैच कर
आधार
दो।
कार्ड इसलिए है कि आईडी, जो इनका आइडेंटिटी है वो भी तो उसमें पता चलेगा ना, आईडी प्रूफ। आधार कार्ड से हॉस्पिटल
राइट,
में भी तो
क्योंकि
देते हैं आप
इंस्टीट्यूट का
आधार
शायद
कार्ड।
जो आईडी कार्ड होता है ना, वो प्रॉपर होता नहीं है, मतलब फोटो नहीं होती शायद उसमें।
अच्छा ओके, स्कैन नहीं होता है वो। बहुत से बच्चे कर तो सकते हैं डाउनलोड, अब पता नहीं विलेजेस में क्या होगा, डाउनलोड करके दे सकते हैं। पता नहीं सभी स्टूडेंट को यह मालूम भी है या नहीं
तो
इसके
मैम जो
बारे में।
इंटरनेट को यूज़ कर रहा है ऑप्ट आउट करने के लिए, अपनी एप्लीकेशन अपलोड करने के लिए, वो डाउनलोड भी कर ही लेगा आधार। मेरे को इसमें मतलब
Uh, can I explain why the Aadhaar card is? I think because if family members are affected, they can verify that Aadhaar card of the address of a student and family member is same or not. They can verify. Maybe for that purpose,
वो अलग
they're
भी होगा तो भी
asking.
मेरे हिसाब से फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा।
For that purpose, they are
नहीं बट
asking Aadhaar
आई
card
राइट
number.
इट ऑन
sometimes
एन
it
FAL।
happens na, your father's, like my father is there, his address is different, my address is different, but he was staying with me during that course of time, तो फिर।
Yeah, I don't know, but I think the intention was there was that
But
because
that is पता नहीं why they are doing this, because it happens na, sometimes you are staying with your
yes, yes, yeah, it will.
relatives, or
Yes,
sometimes
yes,
you are
ma'am.
staying
Yes.
with your
Yes, yes.
son or
Sometimes
daughter.
even uncles like that persons, our relatives will be staying with us, and their
हाँ, and
Aadhaar card
there are many
address will
chances
be.
कि
Yes,
मैं, हाँ तो suppose if
yes,
a lady is married and she's an aspirant, and
yes,
उसके
yes.
घर में उसके पेरेंट्स
Address
आए
will
हैं,
be changed. Yeah.
एड्रेस विल बी डिफरेंट ना।
Yes,
इवन इन
yes.
लॉज,
But
मेनी टाइम्स इन लॉज जो है वो कहीं
yes,
और रहते हैं, बट देन दे कम एंड स्टे।
yes, yes, ma'am. But
तो
I
ये
think
बहुत हुआ है कोविड में, इवन सपोर्ट के लिए जो है बच्चे अपने पेरेंट्स के पास गए हैं, दे हैव स्टेड देयर फॉर 1 मंथ 2 मंथ, तो
yes,
दिस
ma'am.
हैज
But
हैपेंड। तो अगर वो एड्रेस वो चेंज चेक
yes,
करेंगे
ma'am.
सेम प्रीमाइसेस का।
They are practically possible things. These are all could have
हाँ,
happened,
इट
but
हैपेंड विद
yes,
मी,
yes, 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 ma'am. It will be
तो
happened,
इट
but
कैन हैपन
these
विद
the
मेनी अदर्स आल्सो,
but
सेम प्रीमाइसेस का पता नहीं क्यों दे आर डूइंग।
I think they are specifically mentioning it, no, ma'am. They should be residing in same premises, same premises. So to authenticate that same premises, they are asking the Aadhaar card. I am
वो
thinking like
ऑथेंटिकेट
that.
करने के लिए तो वो तो एक
But that
एफिडेविट भी
is
दे सकता
मतलब
है ना।
wrong na, that is wrong
Hmm.
because
हम्म।
there are chances that during
Yes,
pandemic
ma'am.
all of a sudden many have to rush to their parents, even though
Yes,
they are
yes,
not
ma'am.
staying with their parents। बहुत से लोगों को वहां पे जाके, जो भी हॉस्टल में रह रहे हैं या कहीं रह रहे हैं, कहीं जॉब कर रहे हैं, वो भी अपने पेरेंट्स के पास जाके फिर रहे हैं। बहुत से लोगों
Yes,
ने एड्रेस शिफ्ट चेंज किया बिकॉज ऑफ हॉस्पिटल, मैनी
yes,
पीपल
yes.
रीलोकेटेड टू फ्रॉम स्मॉल टाउन टू बिग टाउन, ऐसा भी
Yes,
हुआ है।
they are not at all the practical things. I think they have not at all taken into
And these are very
consideration.
practical issues.
These practical things they are not taking into consideration. They are only looking into the documents
And these are
only.
genuine concerns.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, but they are
These are
not
genuine concerns.
looking into the genuine concerns. Only they are thinking that if the family member and you are residing in same premises, means that your Aadhaar card should be the same address, so that they will come to know that okay, these two people are residing in the same premises. Because of this, he is unable to study like
So
that.
in that case, it's better that you send a mail for clarification that I have submitted my A and this is the problem which I am facing. That is the only way. और कुछ तो है नहीं, communication channel ही नहीं है.
Yes, ma'am. Now what to do? We are also don't know.
We have
Okay.
dealt with more than कितने अभी एनटीए का एग्जाम हुआ था लास्ट ईयर 15 लाख स्टूडेंट्स. एनटीए मैनेज्ड इट सो वेल. बहुत अच्छे से उनके कॉल सेंटर ने सभी क्वेरीज को रिस्पॉन्ड किया. एंड यू आर जस्ट 3 lakhs.
Yes,
एनटीए
ma'am.
15
Every
lakh
time
students.
yes,
Just imagine.
these ICI is also managing every time very well, but this time why it has becoming this much rigid, we are not understanding.
This time you are facing more problem, na, students.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, because if it is like and during the this court
देखिए
hearing also.
सुखपाल जी इज ऑल्सो देयर. मैंने एनटीए में सर ने बहुत हेल्प किया था लास्ट ईयर. 15 लाख स्टूडेंट थे उसमें. बहुत से बच्चों की प्रॉब्लम थी. समवन वाज इन कंटेनमेंट जोन.
Yes,
डेली
madam.
थाउजेंड ऑफ कॉल होती थी और कितने लेटर सबमिट किए थे. सुखपाल
Yes,
जी इज
madam.
देयर. और बहुत से लोगों को रात रात में मेल्स आए वहां से एनटीए से और वो उनके लिए अलग से एग्जाम कराया गया. तो
Yes,
इट
madam.
हैपेंड विद एनटीए.
Yes, madam. And also regarding this old course hearing during the court session, what the this advocate on the ICA behalf told is when the honorable court has asked when has this new course come into effect and from when these old students are writing means at that time yeah, the lawyer on ICA
They
behalf told that
confused. He confused.
no, he told that it is more than 7 years like that he told, but actually it has come into effect from 2018 May.
हाँ आई नो.
So,
एंड नेक्स्ट डे इवन मीनाक्षी मैडम जो है शी ऑल्सो क्लेरिफाइड.
uh,
मैडम को मैंने पूरा वो भी भेजा था कि
uh,
मैडम दिस इज द डिफरेंस इन जो व्हाट दे हैव सेड कि ओल्ड कोर्स इज 7 years. ऐसा नहीं है. पूरा नोट
like
मैंने
that.
भेजा था मैडम को भी, बांसुरी मैडम को भी. एंड
Yes, madam.
वो
And
वी थॉट कि मैडम ने डिस्कस भी किया था ऑनरेबल कोर्ट में जज से. दे सेड कि नो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू मतलब डोंट डिस्कस
yes,
ऑल
madam.
दीस थिंग्स.
Yes, madam. Because first time they have told 7 years, and the court has thought that okay, 7 years means it's a
हाँ.
very big time, so no need of
Next,
extension
so
like
on
that.
next day
They,
they were not interested only. They said we
yes,
only
ma'am.
discuss about opt out.
Yes,
No
madam.
other issue.
If it has known on the day of discussion itself, at that time I think honorable court would have told that okay, we can look into his list like that. And also one more thing like that, what that advocate has told is in last year May also they have conducted the exams, but in this year due to second wave they have not conducted. But actually in last year also May the exam has not happened. In July
Ah,
also
that
not
judge is
happened.
aware. Judges are aware. They have only passed order na last year. Khanvilkar sir,
Yes,
Khanna
madam.
sir.
But they have told like that it was conducted. The lawyer and ICAB have told it was
नहीं last
conducted.
year in the sense November, not May. November.
He told in May. He specified it, madam. Last year May we have conducted the exams, but this year May we are not able to conduct because of this COVID second wave. But last
Who
year
said?
May exam. This is Srinivasan sir like that.
अच्छा.
I have read in this live law Twitter.
Okay.
But that May exam was directly cancelled. It was postponed thrice
हाँ.
and
नहीं
yes,
even बांसुरी मैडम also informed ना कि नवंबर
yes,
में exam was there. And
yes, madam.
PIL में we have mentioned judges know ना PIL में भी mention है that both the this thing was
Yes, madam. Yes,
May
yes,
cycle November cycle were clubbed, so more than four and a
yes,
half lakh
yes,
students appeared.
yes,
That
madam. Yes,
also is
yes.
there on record.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, this old course only this actually this 2018 two attempts and 2019 two attempts. That's it. What
See
the
now
old course
everything
has.
is now up. Everything is now up to ICI. We
Yes,
have
madam.
to
Yes,
send a representation. All the members जितने भी members हैं, they are also ready to help and support
yes,
students. उनको
yes,
जो
madam.
भी representation देना है, जितने members को आप वो forward कर सकते हैं, please forward. I will also forward to all the members to whom मतलब जिनको मैं जानती हूँ अभी last 1 year में. और आप लोग जिन जिन को जानते हैं, you are connected, you
Yes,
are in
madam.
talking terms, आप उनको भेजिए.
Yes,
And
yes,
other
yes.
members can also forward it to other members. नीरज सर ने भी बोला है कि वो 50-60 मेंबर्स को ही हिमसेल्फ विल फॉरवर्ड। आशुतोष सर से भी बात हुई है, वो भी करेंगे। तो मैनी मेंबर्स आर नाउ।
Yes, ma'am. I will also do. Sure,
हाँ
ma'am.
यस सर। तो ओल्ड कोर्स का वी हैव टू टेक अप बिकॉज वेरी फ्यू डेज आर लेफ्ट, हार्डली 2 days। तो टुडे वी विल मतलब सर्कुलेट इट पूरा ग्रुप में, ट्विटर में, एवरीवेयर वी विल सर्कुलेट। जितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं आप लोग भी अपने जो जिन मेंबर से कनेक्टेड हैं उनको फॉरवर्ड करिए, उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करिए टू प्लीज सपोर्ट यू ऑल, ओल्ड कोर्स के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं। तो हो सकता है समथिंग मे हैपन।
Yes, madam, it can be happened because when this intermediate exams old course has completed, with suit moto action, ICA itself extended twice without as caring of students. It has extended twice this old course of IPCC
या
exams.
राइट
But
राइट।
when it comes to final, this is the actually what the deadline when they have put in 2018. This is the deadline, so they are stopping it here itself. They are not even every student will think that when the IPCC old course is finished, at that time without the students have already thought that it will end by this exam, so no one has asked for extension, but ICA on its behalf it has given extension 2 times.
हाँ, या तो फिर लास्ट ईयर नहीं देना था एक्सटेंशन।
Yes, madam. Not what I am saying is when the students have fixed in their minds that old course will end by this exam,
राइट
but at that time also when no one asked about the extension, they have given old course extension 2 times.
राइट।
But this even final students will think like that, no, madam. Okay, maybe may during the normal time itself, ICA has extended for IPCC. During these crucial times, it will extend like that. A lot of students will think, but they are very much rigid in this point.
We'll work on that. That is already under process. Any other query related to opt out?
थैंक यू लीव, मैं वो रिप्रेजेंटेशन और गूगल फॉर्म शेयर करता हूँ।
Excuse me, ma'am, may I ask a question?
मैम
Yes.
ma'am, Lisa wants to ask a question, and I am leaving because I have
Lisa,
to
she is a
urgently
speaker now.
upload that representation. Yes, yes.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening.
मैम, मेरे बड़े पापा और की फैमिली को कोरोना हो गया था, तो फिर मुझे भी, मैं उनके कांटेक्ट में आई थी तो मुझे भी कोरोना हो गया। पर ना हमारे फैमिली डॉक्टर हैं, तो जैसे ही मुझसे पहले ना, क्योंकि उनकी फैमिली में 5 लोग ऑलरेडी पॉजिटिव आ चुके थे, उनकी टेस्टिंग और भी हो गई थी। तो जब तक मुझे सिम्टम्स आए ना, तो मेरी फैमिली डॉक्टर ने बोला कि ठीक है, पक्का ही है कि कोरोना है, टेस्ट की ज़रूरत नहीं है, टेस्ट नहीं करवाया। और यहाँ पे ऑफिशियल्स और भी नहीं करवाना चाह रहे थे टेस्ट, मतलब डॉक्टर, क्योंकि उनको कम नंबर्स और दिखाने थे ऐसे कुछ। तो फिर ना मैं उधर ही बड़े पापा के घर पे आइसोलेट हो गई, क्योंकि मेरे पापा को डायबिटीज़ है और मेरी मम्मी को अस्थमा है। तो इधर मैं नहीं रिस्क लेना चाहती थी, तो मैं उधर ही चली गई। तो फिर मेरा कोई टेस्ट भी नहीं हुआ, और फैमिली डॉक्टर थे तो उन्होंने हमको मेडिसिन और घर पे ही भेज ही दी थी, उधर ऑलरेडी बड़े पापा के घर में भेज ही रहे थे। तो मतलब मेरे पास कोई ऐसी रिपोर्ट नहीं है कि मुझे कोरोना हुआ था, और टेस्ट भी नहीं है। पर मैंने पूरा ट्रीटमेंट तो लिया ही था, मेडिसिन और। तो अब मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ? और मुझे ना लॉन्ग कोविड से फटीग है, ब्रीदिंग इश्यूज भी हुए थे। उसके बाद में जब मतलब 14 दिन बाद में मैंने सीटी स्कैन और करवाया था, तो उसमें इन्फेक्शन ज़्यादा नहीं था लकीली। बट अभी अभी कैसे प्रूव कैसे करेंगे आईसीआई को?
नहीं, ये तो हम लोग कल मतलब उनको तो पूछ ही रहे हैं, कल उनको भी मैंने बोला है मीडिया वालों को। और अदरवाइज ऑल्सो जो मुझे लगता है कि जो उन्होंने लिखा है आपके उनकी वेबसाइट में कि मेडिकल प्रैक्टिशनर जो है, रजिस्टर्ड मेडिकल प्रैक्टिशनर, उनका जो मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट है दैट विल हेल्प।
I think
मैम,
it will help,
उसका
ma'am.
फॉर्मेट नहीं
The
है, जो हमने आईसीआई से पूछा आज, मीडिया ने पूछा आईसीआई से कि इसका फॉर्मेट है, तो वो उन्होंने बस लिखा है कि नहीं, उसका कोई फॉर्मेट हमने नहीं उसमें डाला है, देयर इज नो सच फॉर्मेट कैसा होना चाहिए मेडिकल प्रैक्टिशनर। हाँ, बट उनके लेटर हेड में उन्होंने वो बताया कि उनके लेटर हेड में वो शायद मतलब इस तरह से कर सकते हैं, लेटर हेड में वो करके।
Madam, I think that is
उन्होंने बोला।
sufficient, madam, because as per the Supreme Court order and also the notification as per ICI, the medical practitioner certificate is itself enough. I think they
हाँ
won't go beyond that, because the registered medical practitioner, if he certifies that the patient has affected with COVID-19 and he is suffering, or else he is already suffered and now he is suffering with post-COVID symptoms, so he's unable to write the exams. If it is certified by the medical practitioner, registered medical practitioner, then I think it is sufficient and it is the end. So there is nothing
हाँ
beyond
राइट।
that, because of the what is the honorable Supreme Court order and also this ICI's notification tells that beyond that then need nothing.
मैम
देयर इज नो फॉर्मेट ना, इसलिए बच्चे थोड़े कंफ्यूज हैं। देयर
Yes,
इज नो
madam. But
फॉर्मेट।
actually, there are many formats are circulating. I think I have seen lot of formats in lot of groups.
हाँ
Most
बट
of
दैट
them
इज
are.
नॉट ऑफिशियल, दैट्स व्हाट आईसीआई
Yes, madam.
ऑफिशियल से।
I think ICA is not interested in giving any formats, because they mentioned what's the matter to be in the letter. So if it is given that the student has suffered from COVID-19 after April and now he is unable to write the exams because of the post-COVID symptoms. This is anything, any format which conveys this message is sufficient.
Ma'am,
आई नो
can I
इट
add?
इट शुड बी सफिशिएंट, आई नो, बट
Yes,
प्रॉब्लम
madam.
इज बच्चे डरते हैं थोड़ा, जो भी उनका हुआ है पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस, तो दे आर स्कैर्ड कि कुछ एक्शन ना हो जाए। वैसे तो कुछ होगा नहीं, आई डोंट थिंक
Yes, ma'am. Nothing will happen, because
नथिंग विल हैपन, आई नो।
yes, yes, because
इट शुड
the Honorable Supreme Court has also given that order. Nothing more than medical practitioner certificate is required, like that.
Hello,
They
ma'am.
have given itself. So I think there would not be any
बस
problem
ओनली
for
थिंग
all.
इज डोंट सबमिट एनी फेक दिस थिंग,
Yes,
अदरवाइज
yes, that,
देन
yes.
यू विल बी इन ट्रबल।
So
दैट इज द
only
ओनली
the
थिंग।
for all the students, what the on this behalf, what is I have to convey. They won't check beyond the medical certificate practitioner's certificate. If they want something, they will if it is something fake or like that, they will call that doctor. If they want to check, they can consult the doctor and ask whether it has happened or not. I think they won't go beyond that.
Ma'am, in case if I get a minute, I would like to add something specifically to this point.
या यस।
Ma'am, there was a notification from the UP government regarding this, and the RT-PCR report, in that it was mentioned that in case if it is negative, then also the patient can be, the concerned person can be considered in case if the biomarkers, if the blood report, in case the CT scan report, they are showing symptoms, then also the patient would be treated as COVID positive. I will share that notification. So that notification
Yes.
is sufficient as a proof that only the RT-PCR positive report is not the criteria. And in many such cases, there are reports, newspaper reports also, wherein there was problem in RT-PCR report. Sorry, there was delay in conducting the report. There was issue in collecting the samples. In many cases, the report came after 4 or 5 days. So there are media reports. Since we as a group, we were working on this, I have all the information. I'll share it with you, and I'm sure it will be sufficient proof for you guys to say that RT-PCR and other things, they are not sufficient. A simple certificate from the doctor is more than sufficient. Thank you.
Yes, yes, that's what have discussed on the
हाँ
court
इवन
hearing,
सुप्रीम
that
कोर्ट।
yes, the Honorable Supreme Court has also said that this RT-PCR won't work, because two of the judges have told that we are COVID positive patients, so we know about how these RT-PCRs work, and so they have removed the RT-PCR itself, the by to upload as a proof of COVID positive. So simply they told that medical certificate will be enough. So now RT-PCR is nothing. I think there is no relevance of this RT-PCR now, after this judgment of the Honorable Court. I think RT-PCR is not at all required now. Only the medical practitioner certificate will work.
Yes, perfectly.
And
Probably, the awareness amongst the students, because I also
yes, yes.
got a couple of messages from the students uh, there is some. It's good that ma'am is hosting sessions and spreading awareness, and you all are, educating the
Yes,
students.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Probably a couple of awareness sessions like this would do the work, and it was, inculcate confidence amongst them that this is what the scene is, and there is no such requirement. And still, if somebody is insisting, there are a couple of other parameters also wherein you can identify, like this student, she said that, CT scan was done. In CT scan also there are markers available. Just for information, I'm not,
Yes.
saying that just for information purpose.
Oh,
There are markers, biomarkers are also there. There are blood reports are also there, and from there it can be, derived that these symptoms, these blood groups, this CT scan, which is called chest CT scan, there is a score given out of 25. And even if the score is 2 or 3, there are, we signify that this patient is a COVID positive. Just for the information
Hey,
of.
Supalji, you know what has happened? Why these students are concerned? Because what has happened in during second wave, that many doctors started the treatment immediately. Even मेरे father का भी
Correct.
immediately they said कि उनको कुछ
yes, madam.
throat में भी हल्का सा कुछ infection था. They said you start your COVID treatment. They said कि even for a simple COVID symptom, they started their treatment for COVID without even going
Testing.
for
Yes,
testing
madam.
because time
Going
नहीं
for
था
test.
उस वक्त.
Yes.
There
And
was no
even for
time.
there are chances that even if we go for test, we may be infected with virus like that. Or so a lot of
Yes.
family doctors have started the treatment from home itself. What we have to do, what we have to take the medicine and everything, they have over the phone or over calls only. They have given the treatment, self isolation and like that.
Absolutely right.
So, madam, so the court has also given that an RT-PCR or other medical reports are not at all required. Only the medical certificate given by the registered medical practitioner will be sufficient. Like that, the notification and also the order was that. So I think, madam, you can give assurance that if you give assurance, students will believe, because in the judgment itself, it has clearly stated nothing more than medical certificate by the registered medical practitioner is sufficient. That's it. So
Any
students
CCM
can.
member you all know who is active? Any CCM member who is very interactive? Like
Mm,
last year,
mm,
Dheeraj sir was there.
Even now, he is the only sir we are having who is interactive and who is giving all the notifications or tweets
Who
like
is
that.
interactive? Who?
It is Dheeraj sir only.
हाँ,
But
last year
now,
I remember he used to
yes,
interact a lot. Dheeraj
yes,
sir.
madam. But now, a lot of now he is also inactive looking, seems to be, because on the day of 21st June he has tweeted something, and after the Supreme Court order he has tweeted. Now he is not being inactive. Madam. He is inactive.
Okay, okay.
Madam, I think this is sufficient, madam. You can give assurance
Because
to
if
students
anyone is
that
active, we can add him or we can request on his Twitter this thing to help. Even ICI
May
को
I
also
ask another
we can
question?
tweet. Yesterday also we tweeted and see immediately they
yes,
updated. So for
yes,
this issue
madam.
also we can request.
Uh, yes, madam. But I think there's nothing to worry about the format, because until and unless it shows some other things. If it shows that the student has suffered from post-COVID symptoms, also it is sufficient. Like that, they have told, no, madam. So it will be sufficient. But students are fearing regarding this. What the format only, right, madam?
हाँ.
So format can be anything, but it should mention the what the requirements are there for to opt out. So if we,
See, for self declaration, just say they have uploaded a format.
yes, madam, every time for self declaration they will upload a format.
But for medical
For
this
this
thing,
medical
there is no.
certificate, they have not given any format, but the matter what to be included, they have
Or they
given.
should have just mentioned that medical this thing. Just say for this thing they have mentioned a written letter in writing with your signature, scan copy of a letter
Even that
in
has
your
to be
own
uploaded
writing and
now,
with
madam.
signature.
Yes, even that has to be uploaded now. Even the self
Yeah,
declaration, yes, madam.
right.
So now the issue is regarding the old course.
Ma'am, मैं
Someone is asking something.
Mostly जो issues हैं वो that is only now limited to old course.
Old course
Rest
extension.
other
I think
students
this
have got relief.
yes, madam.
Foundation
This
students, everyone have, they all have got relief.
yes, madam. So
यस एंड आई ऑल्सो थिंक मैम जो ये ओल्ड कोर्स वाले जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं इनको रिलीफ आई बिलीव मिलना चाहिए. सो आज मैं भी एक बार मेरे लेवल पे कोशिश करता हूँ क्या आगे बात हो सकती है. एंड डेफिनेटली सब मिलके ट्राई करते हैं मैम.
हाँ, यस यस, वी विल डिस्कस ऑन इट. और एक ओल्ड कोर्स के लिए एक जो लेटर बनाया है ना सर, वो हम लोग पूरा शेयर कर देते हैं, सो दैट एवरी मेंबर जो है कैन सपोर्ट.
यस मैम, श्योर 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 मैम.
उसमें मैम मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है, सिंस यू आर डूइंग सो मच फॉर दी स्टूडेंट्स और बाकी लोग भी हैं, अगर फिजिकली कहीं विजिट करना है, अगर रिप्रेजेंटेशन देना है, तो आई विल बी ग्लैड टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट
हाँ,
कॉज.
आई विल सेंड यू द एड्रेस ना. एक वन ऑफिस इज एट नोएडा
ओके
एंड अनदर ऑफिस जो इनका मेन ऑफिस इज इन दिल्ली.
ओके.
जैसे लास्ट ईयर हम एनटीए के लिए आप वहाँ गए थे, नोएडा के ऑफिस गए थे आप,
हाँ.
दे हेल्प्ड अ लॉट.
यस यस.
बट नोएडा ऑफिस जो है, व्हेन आई कॉल्ड अप दे सेड कि नो, दिस इज देयर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफिस, एज फार एज एग्जामिनेशन डिपार्टमेंट इज कंसर्न दे टोल्ड मी टू कांटेक्ट दिल्ली ऑफिस.
ओके.
तो मैंने वहाँ पे फिर कांटेक्ट किया था.
मैं दोनों जगह दे दूंगा मैम, जो है दी कॉज दैट यू.
रिप्रेजेंटेशन,
हाँ
हाँ.
जी हाँ जी, मैं जो है आई विल गिव इट एट 62 ऑल्सो अंडर योर गाइडेंस. अगर आप बोलेंगे कि 62 भी देना है और वहां पे भी देना है, तो मैं जहां भी आप बोलेंगे आई विल ट्राई माय लेवल बेस्ट टू गिव इट ऑन मंडे.
हाँ, आई विल आस्क दी मेंबर्स की मतलब कौन सा इनका एड्रेस जो है,
ओके
ऑन विच एड्रेस वी शुड सेंड,
ओके.
सो अकॉर्डिंगली देन आई विल गिव यू.
ठीक है मैम, आई विल डू दैट. ओके.
मैम रजिस्टर्ड मेडिकल प्रैक्टिशनर होने के लिए जरूरी नहीं है कि कोविड वार्ड में उन्होंने सर्व किया हो, वो कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट.
अभी तो मेरे पास एक मैसेज आया कि एक डॉक्टर है हु इज अ लैब असिस्टेंट, उन्होंने ट्रीट किया वो स्टूडेंट को. अब कैसे उनका मैं हम कहें लैब असिस्टेंट है, मेडिकल प्रैक्टिशनर तो होते हैं जनरली लैब असिस्टेंट आई थिंक.
madam, I
तो
think medical practitioner must be minimum degree of MBBS qualification.
यस यस,
I think this Lisa, who is asking that who treated her is a cardiologist, he will be very much sufficient to give that certificate.
हाँ, MBBS doctors
Yes,
will be
because
very much sufficient. Cardiologists, in fact, they only treated because of
Uh,
heart failures. Many cardiologists treated. Even my father was being treated by a cardiologist.
yes,
He was
ma'am.
yes,
That's what
assisted
I
every
am
and helped
saying.
by a
So,
cardiologist in
every
yes,
AIMS.
MBBS is
madam.
registered under INM, so they have
Oh,
that registration number.
what?
Every MBBS have that registration number of IMA.
Yes, that will be
So they all
sufficient.
are medical.
Yes,
Yeah.
they are registered medical practitioners. I think that they will be sufficient to give this medical certificate.
Because even for medicines, na, many of the genuine जो medical stores हैं, they were not giving any medicine, be it remdesivir or any other thing,
Yes,
any
madam.
other
Until and
medicine
unless the
without
prescription.
prescription. हाँ,
Yes, madam. Yes,
no one was giving. So इसलिए I remember it,
yes, madam.
and it
Yes.
was very difficult to even find medicines
Yes, madam. During that
those
times,
days.
even for a paracetamol tablet, they will be asking
हाँ,
the
paracetamol was not available.
at
It
that
was
time they
very
asked the
difficult.
prescription.
Yes.
At
And they
that
were
times
very
were
much
were
strict.
worse.
And they were
Yes.
asking कि नहीं use send your
Uh,
medical this thing, क्योंकि black
yes.
marketing हो रहा था.
Yes.
During
Yes,
that
madam.
time
Yes.
medicines का black marketing हो रहा था, तो
Yes, madam.
most of the medical stores they said कि no, until unless you will provide us medical prescription, we will not give you.
Yes, madam. At that time, it was very difficult times for
Medicines
a
भी नहीं
normal
मिलते थे
person.
without prescription.
Yes. So
See,
now,
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Now I maybe remove the speaker.
pardon. So any other query?